I am the tofu golem. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by cleaning the stainless steel thoroughly so grit and grease won't cause new damage. Once done, mask around the scratch exposing about 1 to 2 inches so you only work the target area. Choose a 400 grit waterproof sandpaper and keep your pad damp. Sand gently along the metal grain, not across it because that pattern hides better. Apply steady, even strokes and check progress frequently. If you see the scratch fade, you're ready to refine with finer grits. You now refine the surface by stepping up grits to remove the coarse scratch lines left by 400. Move to 800, then 1000 and finally 1500, always sanding lightly and following the grain, because alternating directions creates visible crosshatch. Make sure to wipe the area with a lint-free cloth and isopropyl alcohol between grits so you're not rubbing grit into the finer abrasives. Take your time. The why is simple. Each finer grit removes the micro scratches of the previous one, restoring a smooth finish. You finish by polishing to restore shine. Apply a small amount of stainless steel polish and buff with a clean microfiber cloth, using circular motions that blend into the grain. For larger areas, use a rotary buffer on low speed and pause to avoid heat buildup which can discolor the finish. Once glossy, apply a stainless steel protector or light clear lacquer to guard against future scratches. If the scratch still shows, try repeating the 1000 to 1500 grit step. If metal is gouged, consider professional repair.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.